Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something related to first aid kits. Now, I've talked to you several times now about first aid kits, making sure you have all your first aid kit supplies together, getting first aid training so you know how to use everything that's in your kit. Well, here's another kit related to that. That's a surgical and suture kit. Because if you're in an SHTF situation, the end of the world as we know it, the balloon has gone up and there's no hospitals to go to, and someone gets a real bad cut, you're going to need to be able to sew that cut back up. And you need a proper kit to do that. Now, suture and surgical kits are all over the place. You're going to have to do your own research because I'm not going to tell you which one's the best one. I'm not a doctor. I've had some training for doing stuff, but I am not going to give you a particular one to go after. That's something you need to figure out for yourself. One of the things that you need to consider on it is the source of where it's coming from and how good of a review those kits have. Now, having a proper kit with everything you need, should also think about getting a kit for practicing. They have practice surgical kits that have a synthetic skin substance that where you can actually practice sewing on it to learn, keep your skill good. You also need to go to a course where you can learn to do this properly, being taught by someone who does it properly, so that you can learn what to do and what not to do, and then you can practice on your own. But having a good suture kit and surgical kit is something you need in times of emergencies. All right? So remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicines, surgical kits, first aid kits. Why? This is why.